Okay, I'm doing this driveway here. I made one swipe. Push it up to the side there. People that live next door, this is just their summer house, so they aren't here in the winter. So there's no problem pushing the snow up on the tree lawn. Plus, you know, you don't actually own your tree lawn. That still belongs to the city. That still belongs to the city. But still, try and be nice about it. You know, if someone complains, you know. See this small road, kind of hard to turn around, and people fly up and down this road too. So I don't want to have to clean up the other driveways. I'm just going to stay in this one driveway here. If I back up into the other driveway, then mess it up, I clean it up. I'm going to pull up here and back drag this. I have to watch out for the air conditioner over there. Watch I don't hit the house. This is where it would be nice to have a small plow, 7-foot plow. I watched a guy do a driveway. I watched a guy do a driveway the other day with a 7-foot plow. It would make it a lot easier. Okay, here again, I don't want it in float mode, so I just tap it a little bit, just so the plow's down on the ground. Make sure I'm in reverse, right? I don't want to hit the car. Back up slowly. Okay, so what's the rule? Put it in reverse first, so you don't hit the car. And then put the plow down. Back up, make sure you don't hit the air conditioner. That's the expensive thing there. Don't damage the house. See, it's easy to do big open parking lots, but these things, these are a real pain. Gotta watch out for kids, and cars, and pets, and cats, and dogs. People will run up to the truck. Hey, will you do my driveway? You can't see them coming. They think you can see them because they can see you, but you can't see them. You're paying attention to all kind of other things, you know. I'm just trying to get a little bit from the sidewalk over there where they go up to the porch. I'm going to see if I can get a little bit more out of here. Not up by the air conditioner though. I'm not even going to get close to that. They should have orange stakes around there, but I don't know if that would help much. Better than nothing, but See, like here, you have to be careful here because it looks like the plow is not going to hit the air conditioner. But if you're too close, when you lower it, it'll still hit it. So this way you have to stay at least 3-4 feet away. Sounds silly, but I watched a video a few years ago. Guy barely touched the air conditioner. I mean, barely touched it. It cost him $3,000. He had to fix it. And that was on the customer's house too. It wasn't even the neighbor, it was the customer. Okay, so now there's a car coming. I gotta pull in the driveway. Okay, I gotta back out at an angle so I can push this into the pile. Try not to knock down the pile with the plow as you're backing up, right? See how the plow hits the pile. Then you got even more to clean up. Okay, so see see here again I got a wall of snow, so I'm gonna leave the plow up and I'm just gonna hit that pile a little bit, trying to bust up the front edge. Okay, so I got the car out of the way. So what we did last time was pushed it up over there, but I think I'm going to back drag it. I'll back drag it about 20-30 feet, and then I'll push it out to the road. I'll have to back in and push it out. So let's go in, back drag it. I shoveled in front of the garage, maybe 4 feet. I don't hit the garage door. It's a brand new garage door. Okay, I'm pretty close to the garage. Reverse first. Plow down. No float mode. Watch out for the air conditioner in the window. Don't hit the house on the other side. back drag. Okay. Plow up, forward. Now I'm going to go ahead and scrape it again here. This rubber blade, it works great. Don't get me wrong, but it leaves a lot of snow. Reverse first. The plow down. No float mode. Okay. Back drag. Okay, so now we'll do the other side. Try to open this up a little bit. See, now I got plenty of room for the air conditioner, but I'm getting close to the house. My mirrors come real close to the house. Sometimes I close the mirrors here. Oh, yeah, I forgot to put it in reverse. I almost hit the garage door. Over here yapping away. Don't break the house. And then they've got a couple kids too. Might come running out. You can see that mirror's less than 6 inches away from the house over here. So I'm just getting close. Forward, plow up, and I'll catch a little more here. People say, well, just push it off the side. Well, that don't work all that great. There was another cement pad over here, it would be perfect. So she plans on doing that when the kids start driving, so they don't have to play musical cars. Reverse, plow down. But don't hit the house, don't hit the air conditioner, don't run over the kids if they run out. Flying off the side door. Back dragging just don't do all that great, you know. These blades aren't made for back dragging angle. Does okay, but it's not great. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and back drag that little bit out. Don't hit the air conditioner. Reverse first, plow down. See, plow down. See what, in case you don't know, when you hold the button down, it goes into float mode. See that? Yeah, I'll just press this down. See, it plows down now. Okay, that's the way it normally is. But then if you go into float mode, if I hold this down more, see that blue light come on? Now it's in float mode. It floats with the terrain. That's good for some things, but in general, you want the plow to stay where you put it. Right? don't go up and down. It goes up and down anyways, right? Moving with the terrain, even though it's not in float mode. I think I'll put some stakes around that air conditioner, make it a little safer. See, that's a real tight squeeze. You know, this old neighborhood. You know, that's how they built them back then. You can barely get a car in there. And actually, the air conditioner is on her property, so that they're just being nice by letting them leave it there. But you still don't want to pay for it. Okay. Reverse first, plow up, no cars coming, no kids behind me. Back up, try not to knock the plow down. Just clean up the end here. Actually, it doesn't look like there's much snow there. It all just got flattened out. Here, I'll show you what the... We'll go out and check it out. I'll show you what the rubber blade does. Okay, so it scraped this up pretty good. That's right down to the pavement here. This ain't bad. It's snow covered, but it's not bad. It's not down to pavement. There's probably a good 2 inches of snow under my foot. This kind of smoothed things out a little bit. This is down to the pavement here. Here, see, we scraped this multiple times, so it's pretty good. It looks like it's snow covered. It's pretty good. It's not bad. This is down right down to the grass here, so it's not bad. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and then this side's pretty good, but I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit. And you can see this pile, I pushed the, and then you can see this pile here, I pushed the, and then you can see this pile, I pushed this one way back because then it gives me more room if we keep having storms. Yeah. And I push it way off the street, so when the snowplow comes by, it doesn't push it all into the driveway. See here, I'll angle it like this, and then I'll do in front of the house like this. It gets it off the road. It's a pain, it takes time, but I think it helps. Especially if you want to park in front of the house.